For you Rise Vision veterans out there, you all know where I am at. I'm at the presentations menu. So for once, we're actually not going to do work in presentations. We're going to go straight to the displays tab, third tab over. As you can see, I have a few different types of media players and devices set up in my account. Right now, I'm going to be working with my Rise Vision media player, which is a hardware as a service device that we provide. And in order to enable screen sharing, I'm going to go to displays. I'm going to select the display that I want to enable it on. Anything from the list except for Apple TV. Apple TV functionality is available later. And then I'm going to go to the brand new screen sharing tab here. So we've kind of revamped this user experience, and screen sharing is the third tab over. In order to enable it, just click the button. Once I do that, you're going to see two different modes, standard mode and moderator mode. Both modes are interchangeable. You can use either, but you can't use them together simultaneously. To choose the mode, it really depends on the situation. So the standard mode is really ideal for conference rooms or meetings where you need minimal control. If you select this one, you can also add a PIN confirmation. That'll prevent accidental sharing to the wrong display. And then we have moderator mode. And you can see when I select moderator mode, standard mode is disabled. This is recommended for any settings that require some control, such as like a classroom. And I will demonstrate how this works, but moderator mode in a nutshell would allow a teacher in a classroom to determine which of the students are sharing to the screen at any given time. I'm going to go into standard mode now and then click save. Now, within just a couple of seconds, my screen behind me is going to refresh, and I'm going to get a join code at the bottom right of the screen. And while I'm waiting for that, I'm actually going to go do the same thing to my other displays. And I can do this by checking the box and then going to actions and enabling screen sharing here. And go to risevision.com/join. And when I say it's simple, it really is simple. All I have to do is input this code and my name and click start sharing. Then I decide which screen I'm going to share. I'm sharing my display screen. So that's what you see behind me here. As I navigate around Rise Vision, I can almost use it as a second display because there's virtually no latency here at all. It works very effectively and very well. And when I'm done sharing or I want to pause sharing, I can just go back to this screen and say pause, and it goes to a paused menu on my screen, says the screen has been paused. To continue sharing, you need to click resume. Maybe you have some sensitive data or confidential data that you don't want to share. When you're ready to begin sharing again, all you have to do is click resume, and it goes back to the same tab that I was on previously. Now, anywhere that I am while sharing is active, I can click stop sharing, and then I can go to exit session in order to end this screencasting session. When I do that, my Rise Vision display will go back to the normal digital signage with the join code again at the bottom right.